Ever glance around your home and spot an old chair that's seen better days? Maybe it's a sentimental heirloom or a thrift store find that just needs a little TLC. Today, we're diving into the simple process of repairing that old chair, giving it new life and character, all from the comfort of your own home. Step 1, it's time to strip it back to basics. Start by removing all the old glue, scraping it back to the bare wood. Then apply a PVA-based glue to the tenon parts of each piece and tap it gently back into place. Remember to wipe away any surplus adhesive immediately before it sets. This is your first step towards a chair that's sturdy and ready for use. Next, we move on to the tourniquet. This isn't as daunting as it sounds. To keep the seat frame and legs of your chair rigid when gluing, use a length of rope or webbing as a tourniquet. Protect your chair by placing some soft padding at the 4 corners to prevent any marks. Then simply turn a stick to tighten the rope or webbing. Now, if you're dealing with a broken rail that's made of a dowel rod, don't fret. Simply take the broken piece to a DIY supplier and get a new piece of a similar diameter and color. With a rasp and sandpaper, you can cut and shape the new dowel to fit perfectly. In cases where a break is across the grain of a large rail, it can often be repaired by inserting a sturdy dowel to link the 2 broken pieces together. The hardest part of this is aligning the holes, but with a little patience and precision, you'll have it in no time. Another handy trick for dealing with a badly fitting or loose chair joint is to use a special glue that expands as it dries, acting as a filler. You can find this at most good DIY stores. If you're dealing with a shape that makes it awkward to clamp pieces together, wind a length of cord tightly around the break until the adhesive sets. And just like that, you've breathed new life into an old chair, saving money and reducing waste along the way. Not only does this DIY project add a personal touch to your home decor, but it's also a testament to the durability and longevity of well-loved furniture. So don't shy away from those old chairs. With a bit of elbow grease and creativity, they can become your new favorite pieces. Stay tuned to this channel for more DIY skills that can help you transform your home and cultivate a sense of accomplishment. Happy repairing!